Here's why the internet went crazy about AKA's Feel Good session. If there's one thing that most people are willing to agree on these social media streets, it's that AKA always gives stellar performances and often leaves it all on the stage, no matter how big or small it is, and his live sessions were no different. The fella in Versace rapper held nothing back, not his swag or auto-tune in his performance that left Twitter in good spirits and shot up the trends list. AKA performed Touch My Blood, Beyoncé, and Don't Forget to Pray among his many hit tracks. AKA's episode of the JR Feel Good sessions left fans wanting more, and they sang the guys' praise.